In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money or funds into your Moonshot app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Moonshot as you normally would. Now from here on the home tab, you'll see your total balance. At the moment, I've got $0 in there. So to deposit money, I need to click into it and then click on deposit again and put in the deposit amount, which is here. So if I want to deposit 200 bucks, I need to put in 200. Then below that, you got to check which deposit way you want to deposit your money. So at the moment, it's auto selected Coinbase. I'm in Australia, so I've only got Coinbase or crypto. It's only two ways I can deposit money. If you're in other regions, you might be able to use your credit or debit card, bank transfer, or PayPal. So for me, I need to click on Coinbase for this demonstration. I've got $200 selected, and now once I've done that, we need to swipe to deposit. So I'm going to swipe right at the bottom of the page here. And now what this is going to do, this is going to want me to sign into Binance to continue on with the purchase. So I need to put in my email address and then my password to continue on.